everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create photography studio service chatbot for your Facebook lead ads. So let's suppose I am running photography studio business and I am receiving many leads with the help of Facebook lead ads. Now I want that whenever I receive a new lead, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent. I am going to send this message with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now Pabbly Chatflow is a newly launched application of Pabbly which helps us send automated WhatsApp messages to our customers or lead. With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, what I'm going to do, I'm first going to create a chat flow or a chatbot in which I'm going to attach a template in which I'm going to attach quick reply buttons, and whenever my lead click on that quick reply button, an automatic reply is sent to them. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot, then let me take you all to my screen.
In this video, we are going to learn how to create photography studio service chatbot for Facebook lead ads. For this, we are going to create automation between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Chatflow with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now, after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button. And first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to create photography studio service chatbot for Facebook lead ads using Pabbly Chatflow. And now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders which have been created. And here I'm going to select my folder as Pabbly Chatflow and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to create photography studio service chatbot for Facebook lead ads using Pabbly Chatflow, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead with the help of this Facebook lead ads, I'm going to automatically send them the WhatsApp message, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in my Facebook lead ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So when I receive a new lead in my Facebook lead ads and an action says do this, then send the WhatsApp message. So here in my trigger application, I'm quickly going to take Facebook lead ads. And then in my trigger event, I'm going to take this new lead instant. Now I need to click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Over here, I have already logged in my Facebook account, and that's why it is asking me that do I want to continue with this account. So I'm going to click on this, and it is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization. And here authorization successful, which means Facebook lead ads is connected with Pabbly Connect. And now I have to enter these details, which are page name and the lead gen form. Now over here, I can see that in this drop down, I can find all the pages which have been created in my Facebook account. And this is the particular page with the help of which I will be running all the advertisements. So I'm going to select the page as Broadcast Photo Studio. And then I have to select this lead gen form. In this drop down, I can find all the lead gen form. I'm going to select the form as Broadcast Studio Contact Form. And then I simply need to click on the save and send test request. But before doing that, let me first take you towards this Legion form. So we have to open our Meta for Developers platform. And to visit this, we simply need to write developers.facebook.com. And under this resources, we have to go towards this developer tools. If I scroll down, I can find all the options. I have to click towards this lead ads RTO debug tool. So let's open this. And this page has opened in front of me, lead ads testing tool, where I need to enter the page and the form. In this drop down, I can find all the pages. The name of my page was Broadcast Photo Studio. So I'm going to select that over here, and then I have to select the form. Now in my workflow, I've selected my form as Broadcast Studio Contact Form, which has the full name, email and phone number. So I'm going to select that. Now over here, if you want to collect the response from all of the forms, you can simply select this as All Legion Form, as I have to capture the response from this particular form, Broadcast Studio Contact Form. So I have selected that. Here I've selected this form, and now I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request, and you will see that it has changed to this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission, so that the data can be added here in the webhook response. Now this means, so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I'm going to open this lead ads testing tool where I have selected my page and the form. But before submitting this form, we have to make sure that we have deleted this lead, and then we have to refresh the page after that we have deleted the lead. And then again, I'm going to select my form as Broadcast Photo Studio. And then in my form, I'm going to select my form as this one. Now I'm going to click on this preview form. Here this form has opened in front of me, and I'm going to enter some dummy details like the demo user, and then I'm going to enter my email address as demo@pabblytudes.com, and then I'm going to enter my phone number as, I'm going to click on this continue, and then I'm going to click on this submit. As soon as I've done this form submission, the details should be captured in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to open my workflow, and here we can see that we have captured the response. Here you can see the email address, the phone number which we have entered, and then I have received the rest of the detail. The name was demo user. Here as soon as I've submitted the form, I have captured that details here in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup that we have created between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads that is successful. And now whenever there will be new lead or new form submission, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to send them WhatsApp message. And to send WhatsApp message, I'm going to take my action application as Pabbly Chatflow, with the help of which I'm going to send the template message. And then in my action event, I'm going to select this as send template message and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and now to make this connection, you have to enter the token. Following the help desk given below, I'm going to enter this token, and I have to go towards the settings, APIs and webhooks, and then I will be provided with the API token. So let me open my Pabbly Chatflow account, and on the left hand side where I can see all these options, I have to go towards the settings, and then I have to click on this APIs and webhooks. Here this is the API key which I need to copy and simply paste that over here. Here as I have already an existing connection, I have created this connection multiple times. That's why I'm going to go with the existing connection and then click on save. Here Pabbly Chatflow is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is that I have to enter the recipient mobile number. Now I'm not going to enter these details manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. Here I have received the response from Facebook lead ads, and when I click on this, I can see this Facebook lead ads. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. Here I'm going to enter this phone number, and over here it is written that I have to enter the phone number in this particular format without this plus sign, which means I have to add the country code but without the plus sign. So for that, I'm going to click on this add action step button, and then in my action application, I will be searching for text formatter by Pabbly. In my action event, I'm going to select this as split text and then click on connect. Here I need to enter the text which I want to split, which is this. and then the separator is plus. I want to separate this plus. I'm going to select my segment index as all and then click on the save and send test request. Here we have received the response which I'm going to map in my Pabbly Chatflow field. So here I've received the response from text formatter. I have mapped that. Next, I need to enter this template name. Now to get this template name, let me open my Pabbly Chatflow account. So from the left hand side, I have opened this templates and I have created a template by the name Photography Studio. Hi, and then I've added a custom variable. You can add these custom variables to your templates or messages to keep it personalized. And then I have written, thanks for showing interest in our photography studio. I am Pixie, your virtual assistant. What kind of photography are you looking for? And then I have added the quick reply buttons. And with these quick reply buttons, I have attached my WhatsApp chatbot. Now over here, if you want to create a new template, you simply need to click on this add new template. And this new template page will open in front of you, where you need to select the template category, write the template name, select the language and enter the message. You have to click on this submit. You can add the interactive session, call to action, quick replies, and you can add all these features by clicking on this all. You can submit the template and it will be approved just in few minutes. And then you can use it to create the WhatsApp chatbot. Here you can see that I will be using this photography studio template. So from this drop down, I'm going to select my template name as photography studio. And then these fields are not required ones, so I can skip this. If you want to enter, you can enter following the help desk given below these fields. This body parameter is an important field. As you can see that I have added this custom variable for the name of the lead, and whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, this will keep changing. So I have to map this. Now again, I'm going to map the details instead of manually entering the details, because over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Here I have entered the name, and now over here you can see that I have entered a dummy phone number. So for now, I'm going to remove this phone number and enter my own WhatsApp number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message which I will receive after I execute this workflow. After entering these details, I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. So here I have received the response. You can see that the message has been sent. I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to check whether I have received any message there or not. So let me open my WhatsApp, and here I can see that I have received this message. Hey demo user, you can see that the name of my lead was the demo user. We have entered that and we have replaced that in the template. Hey demo user, thanks for showing interest in our photography service. I'm Pixie, your virtual assistant. What kind of photography are you looking for? Now if I click on this pre-wedding shoot, it is going to send me some message. If I click on this baby shoot, it is going to send me some message. If I click on the studio portraits, it is going to send me some message. So how we have done this? Now let's quickly start creating this WhatsApp chatbot to learn further that how we connected this WhatsApp chatbot with this template. So I'm going to open my flow, and this is the flow which I have created. First, I have entered the template. Now if I open a new flow, I'm going to click on this and let's go towards this flows. Here I've landed towards this flow builder. If you want to create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow. So let's open it quickly. And over here, what I have done, I have selected my template. So here you can see choose template. You can see all the templates which I have created, and I have selected my template. And from this quick reply button, I have started creating my buttons or the messages. So here I have selected my choose content type as the text plus button when I want to send the message. If I want to ask the question, I have drag and drop this, and then I have asked the question. If I want to upload the media, what I have done, I have selected my content type as this media. I have selected the media which I want to upload, and let's suppose I want to upload the image. So I have selected that, click on this cloud, and then I have selected the media or the image which I want to upload, and it will be uploaded. In the similar manner, I have uploaded many documents, and then I have added the link. So I'm going to open my chatbot, Now here I have opened my chatbot. For the first button, pre-wedding shoot, I have created a question in which I have asked them the date of the wedding, and when they enter the date, this gets saved in this contact custom field, and then I'm going to ask the location. As soon as I ask the location and when they're going to send me the location, it gets saved in this contact custom field, and then I'm going to send them this message. As soon as I send this message that this is the package, and if you want to view the portfolio, you can click on the link. I have attached a link. If they click on this link, they will be redirected towards my portfolio, and if they want to book, then I have provided another link in which I have provided the link for the booking. Now, these were the messages I have created for the first button. For this baby shoot, I have asked them the same question, the date, and then I have provided the package. If they want to get the sample photos, I have attached some sample photos, and if they want to talk to the team, I have provided the contact information in this message. The final message was of studio portraits. So here I have provided all the details, the wedding portfolio, baby shoots portfolio, my portfolio of the studio, and then I've provided the contact information. This is how I've created this WhatsApp chatbot. If you want to learn each feature and each button, you can visit our YouTube channel and watch our WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow videos. Here I've created this chatbot using this template, and then I have attached this chatbot which I've created to this template. Now we are going to test this once. For that, we have to make sure that we have saved this flow. If we do not save the flow, the messages will be lost, and also if we keep this flow inactive, the messages won't be sent. So here the flow updated successfully. So now if I click on this pre-wedding shoot, it is going to send me the next message. Wonderful wedding photography is our specialty. May I know the date? I'm going to enter the date. I'm going to send this message, and I'm going to receive the next reply as, let's wait for the reply, wedding location. So I'm going to add my wedding location, and I'm going to send this message, and then wait for the response. And it has sent me that this is the package. If you want to click on this view portfolio, you will find that a portfolio link will be provided. If I open this link, I have attached the dummy link, so that's why I'm able to see this. You can add your own portfolio link, and if I click on this book now, I'm going to receive the booking link. So if I click on this, I will be redirected to the booking page, and from that particular page I will be able to book the appointment. Now the next button was of this baby shoot. So I'm going to receive the message, the same message. I'm going to enter the date, the same exact date, and then I'm going to send this message. I'm going to receive the reply in which it is telling me the package, and then if I click on this get sample photos, I'm going to receive some photographs. If I click on this talk to our team, I'm going to receive the contact information of the team. The final button was of this studio portraits. So if I click on this, I'm going to receive the entire detail like the wedding portfolio, baby shoot portfolio, and the portraits link. Here are all the links and the contact information. So this is how we will be able to create a chatbot, and we can send WhatsApp messages to our Facebook leads. So now to summarize, we took Facebook lead ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the lead, and then we wanted to send the WhatsApp message. So we connected Pabbly Chatflow with this, and then we sent a template message. As we send the template message, we attached messages to each of these quick reply buttons, and then I was able to send the messages, and then I was able to book the appointment or send my portfolio. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Chatflow with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.